Wir bei Mitsubishi Electric
We at Mitsubishi Electric are a global corporation with 142,000 employees. Here in Ratingen, traditional values are combined with innovation. Mitsubishi Electric is a strong partner serving many of the world's most successful machine tool manufacturers. It is often necessary to open the switch cabinet to see who we are working with. We are currently one of the world's top 3 CNC manufacturers. In the CNC sector, we have one of the fastest CPUs, which was specially developed for the CNC sector. When it comes to our newest M800 control series, its high flexibility in use as well as its intuitive operability are all important for the customer. In the field of industrial automation, we can offer our customers solutions ranging from robotics and PLCs to complete EDM systems, way beyond the CNC sector. We have ongoing knowledge transfer between the development departments in Japan and local development departments here, so we are always at the cutting edge of technology and engineering. When a machine grinds to a halt, with the pressure in production building up, nobody wants to be stuck in a call centre queue. With Mitsubishi Electric, the customer really has a technician on the phone who can help him and who also works on his problem downstream. You don't have to explain why the machine stopped every time you make a call, as we have the same contact person for you on the phone every time. From the start of ordering a spare part, through to sending out a technician, we're there to help you. In many European countries, we have A-parts stores, so that we have the right part for you locally, on the right day, with the right man, on the right machine.